I can't just sit here.
Motherfucker. Drop your stupid fucking controller, god damn it. Alright. Now what? So we're not dying anymore, so that's good. Saw that giant gaping wound in your fucking side, but figure that out later, I suppose. Aminals! Nature! Alright. Hey, Shaq.
God.
Oh. Maybe we go up here?
I need to find a weapon.
Zah! So you should just do this. Yeah, that's good. Uh-oh. Oh.
I can do this.
Yeah, no, just, right. Oh. Oh, that was... Oh, ow, fuck, dude.
I'm so hungry. I need to find something to eat.
Yeah, dude, you gotta munch soon. Where the fuck are you at, Mr. Deer? Oh my god, there's multiple deers. Oh my god, there's deers. Deer. Where the fuck? Oh, we're so boned. Oh, fucking damn it. Missed. Ah, you motherfucker. Hello. Please do not move. Oh, right in the face. Oh my god. You're gonna have some fucking beer tonight. Oh, wow. How's that? Nice. Found some more fucking arrows. Oh, you are fucking dead. How's that? Oh. So I gotta get back that way. Good. Hey dear, what's up? Running through the forest, got some cool music. Gonna go use this fucking meat on the cake. Dude, fire's still going. Oh, Jesus! Stepped right in it.
This is Conrad Roth, captain of the Endurance.
Oh.
We are shipwrecked on an island inside the Dragon's Triangle.
Fucking talk to me.
Lara,
You're alive!
easy. Are you okay? What happened?
I'm good. I had
I
to
woke up in a cave.
escape some crazy tribal dudes in a cave.
Oh, God.
I had to get a bow and arrow off a dead body and then murder a deer with my bare hands. So it's been a good day, I suppose.
You can do this, Lara. Remember when we climbed Snowden? You said the key was
Edward Snowden?
All you've got to do and keep your radio on.
Fucking don't tell me what to do. Keep your radio on, ass. Got to do the fuck is that? Oh.
Hello? Is someone there?
Hey, a torch. I've used one of these before.
This could be a way through.
Possibly. Oh.
Damn it.
Well, now you don't have a fucking choice now. Right. Okay. So we gotta go get some like pliers or some shit. I don't understand tools. How's that?
Markings.
What are these markings? That's a person with the head exploding. That's cool. And a little sun. And right. Okay. Alright. This is awkward.
What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? What is that? Yeah, just put the fucking burning torch down on the table that's made of wood. That's a really good idea.
A woman in the guise of a demon.
Oh. Look at that.
There are traces of white paint on the inside.
Oh, cool.
Whoever used this mask was of noble birth.
Oh. Interesting. Dope. What else can I do here? What's this? Great. How's that? How's it? How's this all? Is it? Alright, let's go. Okay, alright. Gotta leave. Yeah. Look at that Look at that shit. Oh, nice. It's just some fucking... Great. That's good. Oh, nice. That's kind of cool. Pry axe. Can I shut the music off? That shit is fucking irritating. Fucking... Try to fucking... Nice. Anything of importance in this? Oh, just the door. Let's go! Nice. Uncomfortable. Alright. Oh, like more cool. Should get that as a tattoo. That's pretty cool looking, right? It's like my super sweet tribal. No wolves. Or there are wolves. That's impressive that you are able to climb with a torch in your hand and not burn your fucking face off.
Did you get that?
Got it.
We have a fire. Look for the smoke.
We're on our way.
Lara, you made it.
Sam,
Thank goodness.
surprise.
It's okay. He's one of us.
Sorry if I startled you. This place would make anyone a little jumpy. My manners. I'm sorry, I'm Matthias.
This guy's creepy.
By trade.
Believe it or not, a couple thousand years ago,
I don't believe
me and
it.
Himiko pretty much ran things. Himiko was beautiful, enigmatic, but also ruthless and powerful.
Himiko was running some
And
shit.
He says from the mountains to the sea and beyond.
But what?
Getting sleepy. Getting sleepy. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Fuck me.
Sam!
The fuck did you assholes fucking left me? What the hell is your fucking problem? Why would you not? Oh. Well. Oh! No! Too bad. Oh, man. Oh, this is gonna get... Oh, fuck me. No way, dude. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. The fucking wolf's gonna eat my face. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Ah! Uh-oh. Right in the throat. Oh! These fucking wolves. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please don't. Uh-oh. Oh, it's coming. Right in the mouth. Oh, yeah. Nice. That's my arrow taste. Back to your fucking throat. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, right in the balls. Uh-oh, I missed. Oh. Ooh. Good save. Why do you have a gun?
Let go.
Okay, there we go. Oh!
You're here.
Guys, missed you guys.
One of us go with Lara and meet up with Roth. The rest of us should fan out and look for Sam.
The rest of us.
No. Let me.
Festivus for the rest of us.
You know how to use one of these?
Oh.
It's been a while. It's all coming back to me.
Get to Roth. We'll find Sam and this
He
Matthias
just fucking
guy.
blows them all away.
You sit here. I'll check up ahead.
Okay.
He's gonna go off himself. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it. But I did enjoy this, and this was fun, and I can't wait to play it more. Just good shit. Kinda sad it took me so long to get around to playing this. But, you know, at least I have the option now. So there's that. You know, I got that going. Oh!